We're going to be reading for sign of Scorpio. So let's see what you guys are possibly expect in the connection, so in the relationship. What's happening with you guys, Scorpio, for the next, let's take 5 to 7 days. What are you guys possibly going to be going through moving forward in your soulmate connection, overall life, personal life, career, finances? So yeah, let's take one card for what's happening with you, what's happening with Scorpio spirit. With Wheel of Fortune, I believe right now you're going through cycles. Whatever you are going through, trust the process. Even if it's painful, trust the process. Okay, whatever is coming is going to be a lot better than what you have lost. Wheel of Fortune is a card of moving forward and possibly staying open to the possibility of things working in the end. Okay, with Page of Wands, some of you could be waiting for a job call or for your person to reach out, but you're definitely waiting for some change. Okay, and Wheel of Fortune, Wheel of Fortune definitely brings in change, but sometimes it does take a certain amount of time. It doesn't happen quick. Okay, what else Scorpio is going through? What else Scorpio is going through? With Hermit card right now, some of you have taken a step back from your relationships. You guys are not very much in communication because right now you're trying to focus on yourself. I mean, this is going to be your me time, like your own special time where you possibly focus on what you are going through, what you'll be going through. It could be about choices that you have to make in terms of your life where you want to move forward, or possibly new path to take, or something that needs to end. Like you're basically making a decision with the Hermit card here. Okay, one more card for what a Scorpio is going through. Some of you could be dealing with a Virgo or a Taurus. Okay, with three of okay, I'll be very honest here. With Three of Cups in the reverse and Three of Wands, I believe whosoever were in a third party, you guys are dropping that. You guys are rather going to be open for better, healthy relationships. Okay, in terms of your soulmate now, what are they going through? Scorpio soulmate, what are they going through? Some of you might not be ready for a connection that seems toxic or one-sided. Okay, and this had to fall. Sorry, but yeah, with the Strength card, I believe right now your person is holding back. They are not possibly around you or communicating. Nothing. I see them holding back. Okay, with Five of Pentacles, they are doing it intentionally. In terms of how they're thinking about you, in terms of how they're thinking about you. With Nine of Swords in the reverse, I believe your person is restless over you, but they are also very fearful of getting hurt. I feel they have also problems with sleep. They could be like just so scared of the process, of the situation, of the outcome, that it's freaking them out. Okay, and they are not ready for it. I see a bit of your person being a bit scared of the outcome, like what will happen with the two of you. Okay, top card we have is Four of Cups, so they fear being rejected or they fear being ignored. Okay, one more card what a person is going through, how thinking about you now. With Eight of Swords, I'll be very honest with you. Okay, with Eight of Swords in the reverse, I believe for some of you, your person, if they feel like you're going to drop them or the situation is not going to improve, are possibly finding their way out. Okay, like they are quitting on the connection or they do not want to get hurt, so they are possibly wanting to stay away from the connection. Okay, take what resonates. Moving forward with Nine of Cups, I also have that your person is being a bit more selfish, like when it comes to this relationship. They do not wish to get hurt, or they do not wish to possibly go through the process of the pain that is possibly involved with breakups and shit. So they'd rather choose to stay away than to possibly make a move forward towards you. I believe your person is trying to free themselves from any painful situation that you people are in. Okay, one more card for what's the overall situation going to be like for the next couple of let's take 5 days. Yeah, with Five of Pentacles, I still see the both of you ghosting each other. You guys are just not ready for each other. That is your problem. In the past, yes, you both made each other happy, but right now you guys are rather choosing to stay away. You guys are just not ready to face the conflict and drama. Okay, One more card for Scorpios. No card for Scorpios. What are they going through in terms of their career? With Nine of Pentacles, in terms of your career, I see things going well for you. Okay, I see a lot more success coming in terms of your financial life. If you haven't had that sort of success this past year, that is 2020, I see you having a great year ahead into 2021. Okay, it is going to be a financially very successful year. Okay, with the Ace of Swords, it's like you already know it. It's like you can feel the energy. It's just that your love life is fucked up. Okay. So yeah, moving forward, one card for what's the energy like between the two of you moving forward this relationship. With the moon in the reverse, okay, I believe that you guys might reach out towards each other, but I do not see you guys wanting to stick around. Okay, with King of Cups, it's like you both love each other, but at the same time you have extreme fears of the other person possibly rejecting you, leaving you for another person, or possibly hurting you. A lot of fears, a lot of insecurities. Okay, the moon in the reverse is all about fears. Okay, one more card for how are they thinking about you now? How are they possibly thinking about you now? With the Queen of Pentacles, it's like they do care for you, but they want to possibly control the situation. They do not want to give in. The Emperor never tries to compromise. Even after they're missing you with the Five of Cups, this person is putting a very tough exterior. Like they are wanting to make you believe that they are fine without you when they are not. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you, one card for their intentions towards you. Okay, with Two of Cups in the reverse, trust me when I say this person isn't ready for you. Even if this person comes back, I don't see this working. Okay, reason being they are not ready to completely put in that sort of effort. Okay, so one card for their current feelings, one card for their current feelings. In terms of their current feelings, they do feel guilty for possibly trying to run away, or if they have done you wrong, then they do feel like guilty for that. Okay, if you have done them wrong, if you're a cross watcher, then the Scorpio might feel guilty for that. But I do know that your person is missing you, but at the same time they are not wanting to make things right, and that could really get in the way. Okay, one card for what action they want to take towards you now. What action they possibly want to take towards you now. With Three of Swords in the reverse, they do wish to possibly heal the connection. Okay, they do not want more conflict and drama. They possibly might want to end things on a good note. If you guys cannot be together, they'll at least want to end it on a good note. Okay, one more card for what can Scorpios possibly expect. What can Scorpios possibly expect? Okay, we have the Six of Wands in the reverse. So I believe right now this doesn't seem like going forward in the right direction. This rather looks like a lost opportunity or something that is not having the needed you do not see it working in the long run. Okay, with the Six of Wands in the reverse, you rather look at this as a lost opportunity, as something that might not work in the long run. Okay, bottom card Four of Pentacles, top card Nine of Wands. It's like you both are very much in this conflicted, self-pity kind of energy, where you guys are not wanting to possibly make a move or put in that sort of effort that is going to get you guys together. Yes, you want to heal the connection, fix the connection, but that doesn't mean you want to be together again. So one more card for where this is going for now. Where this is going for now, Scorpio. For now, I still see you guys holding back, still feeling hurt, still feeling that you need more time before making a move towards each other. Okay. Bottom card Eight of Cups, top card Page of Wands. However, there may be communication between the two of you, but I do not see it getting anywhere. With Six of Wands in the reverse, it's rather like a lost. It's for a lost cause. Like you guys do not have that hope and faith that this is going to work. Okay. So one card for what do they want from you? One card for what do they want from you now? With the Fool card, they do want you to take that shot towards them. It's like they want you to make a jump first, or they want you to take that action first towards them. Okay. Yeah, with Page of Swords, they are waiting on you to possibly make a move, like a very strong move. Like, they want you to possibly ask them if you guys are wanting to possibly work things out or not. But this person is very much waiting for you. Even if they are not taking any sort of action towards you, this person is very much waiting for you to make a move towards them. Okay. So what is blocking the connection? What is really blocking the connection? What is blocking the connection is it is one-sided. One person is putting in more effort, other person is not doing shit. Okay. With Four of Wands at bottom card, Seven of Wands, it could also be that one of you is either married or is in a committed relationship. If it's not relationship, then you guys are way too focused on your personal growth. Okay, so take what resonates in your case, leave the rest. So let's take love messages. What a person wanted to say to you now. It's very heavy energy for Scorpios. Okay, I believe you guys are very conflicted. Many of you guys might want to try to just stay away because the energy is so bad. What's your person want to say to you now? Your person, to be honest, has been trying to find their way out. Like, they've literally been trying to escape the situation, not even wanting to face the situation. I fear commitment. I regret running away. For some of you, this might be the Scorpio doing this, so take what resonates. Don't try to force yourself. I think about you every night. Yes, I try to stay away, but I can't. Okay. So yes, this was your reading for sign of Scorpios. If it resonated, please do consider hitting the like button. Support the channel, support your own sign, and yeah, keep coming back for regular readings. Thank you so much. Cheers.